It's midnight, and I've just arrived at the Wyndham Art Hotel in Bogota in Colombia. So I'm back in Latin America, which is nice. And this is my hotel room. So as you walk in from the main door, you come through to the bedroom. Nice bright colours and a really comfortable looking bed, which is great right now. TV there. Place to store your bag, a desk, which is good because I'm here for work. A little table and chairs. Back this way. So you've got all of like your plugs, phone, remote, various things there. This is your wardrobe. I haven't actually been in this yet. Oh, but there's the ironing board, which is good. And we should have, the iron, safe, and any like laundry stuff that you might want, but I'll hang quite a few of my things up there so that they don't get too creased. And then back through here, really nice looking bathroom. So this is the shower. I'm really croaky at the moment because I've just gotten off the very long flight. All of your different things, a massage soap, that's nice. Hairdryer, which I always look for because I always need to kind of look okay. The toilet, and towels and things there. So yeah, it seems like a really nice place. I don't think you can see outside because it's pretty dark, but I'll go over. No. Basically just city lights there, not a lot going on outside. Downstairs they've got a business centre, breakfast included, they've got a restaurant, gym, all of the various things, and this is where I'll be for the next 3 nights.